Ever find yourself captivated by the allure of an older man? There's a certain mystique about them, isn't there? They seem to possess a charm and wisdom that's as irresistible as it is enigmatic. But what's their secret? Why do women gravitate towards them with such fervor? Today we're peeling back the layers of this age-old mystery to uncover the 7 techniques that older men wield like magicians, weaving a spell that leaves women utterly addicted. So, if you're ready to unravel the secrets of seduction and dive deep into the realm of timeless allure, grab a seat and prepare to be spellbound. This isn't just about dating, it's about decoding the language of love spoken fluently by those who've lived and loved longer than most. Welcome to the masterclass in irresistible charm, where age is not just a number, it's a badge of honor. The virtue of patience. Ever wondered why older men seem to effortlessly charm women, leaving younger guys scratching their heads in bewilderment? It's not just about wealth or maturity. There's a whole arsenal of techniques at play. You see, older men have been around the block a few times. They've learned a thing or two about what makes women tick. And let me tell you, it's not rocket science. It all comes down to patience. While younger guys rush headlong into things, older men take their time, savoring each moment like a fine wine. They understand that good things come to those who wait, and in relationships, patience is key. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into something beautiful over time. So, if you want to make women addicted to you, take a page from the book of older men and learn to slow down. Trust me, it'll be worth it in the end. The power of experience. Picture this. You're in a crowded room, and an older man is sitting in the corner, sipping his drink with a calm demeanor. He's not trying too hard to impress anyone. He's just being himself. And yet, there's something magnetic about him that draws people in. That's because older men have a wealth of experience under their belts. They've been through the ups and downs of life, and it shows in the way they carry themselves. They've learned that authenticity is the key to forming genuine connections. They're not afraid to be vulnerable or show their true colors because they know that's what makes them truly irresistible. So, if you want to make women addicted to you, embrace your experiences and let them shine through. You'll be surprised at how attractive authenticity can be. The art of listening. Have you ever noticed how older men have a way of making you feel like the most important person in the room? It's not because they're constantly talking about themselves or trying to one-up you. Instead, they're masters of the lost art of listening. Older men understand that true connection is built on mutual understanding and empathy. They take the time to listen to what you have to say without interrupting or judging. And let me tell you, that kind of attention is like catnip to women. So, if you want to make women addicted to you, put down your phone, stop thinking about what you're going to say next, and listen. You'll be amazed at how much deeper your connections become when you take the time to truly hear what someone else has to say. Cultivating confidence. Confidence is like a magnet. It draws people in without you even trying. And when it comes to confidence, older men have it in spades. But here's the thing. Confidence isn't about being the loudest person in the room or the center of attention. It's about knowing who you are and being comfortable in your own skin. Older men exude confidence in the way they carry themselves, the way they speak, and the way they interact with others. They don't second-guess themselves or seek validation from anyone else because they're secure in who they are. So, if you want to make women addicted to you, work on cultivating your confidence. Focus on your strengths, embrace your flaws, and project an aura of self-assurance that's impossible to resist. Trust me, confidence is the ultimate aphrodisiac. The gentleman's touch. There's something undeniably attractive about a man who knows how to treat a woman right. And when it comes to being a gentleman, older men wrote the book. They understand the importance of chivalry, not because it's a show, but because it's simply the right thing to do. Opening doors, pulling out chairs, and showing respect. It's all second nature to them. But being a gentleman goes beyond just manners. It's about showing genuine care and consideration for the people around you. Older men know how to make a woman feel cherished and valued, and that's a quality that's hard to find. So, if you want to make women addicted to you, take a page from the gentleman's playbook. Treat her with kindness, respect, and thoughtfulness, and watch as she falls head over heels for you. The art of mystery. Ever notice how older men have a certain air of mystery about them? They don't reveal everything about themselves right away, keeping you intrigued and wanting to know more. It's not that they're hiding anything. It's just that they understand the power of leaving a little to the imagination. They know that curiosity is a powerful force, and by keeping things interesting, they can keep you coming back for more. So, if you want to make women addicted to you, learn to embrace your mysterious side. Don't spill all the beans on the first date. Instead, keep her guessing and leave her wanting more. Trust me, a little mystery goes a long way in the game of love. The art of romance. Romance isn't just about grand gestures and extravagant displays of affection. It's about the little things that show you care. And when it comes to romance, older men are masters of the art. They know how to make a woman feel special, whether it's through a handwritten note, a surprise bouquet, or a thoughtful gesture that shows they've been paying attention. But here's the secret. It's not about the money or the grandeur. It's about the thought and effort behind the gesture. Older men understand that it's the small, meaningful acts of love that truly make a difference. So, if you want to make women addicted to you, take a cue from the older gentleman and embrace the art of romance. Show her you care in the little ways that matter, and watch as she falls deeper and deeper under your spell. After all, there's nothing more irresistible than a man who knows how to sweep a woman off her feet. Bonus tip: authenticity is key. In a world full of masks and facades, authenticity shines like a beacon of light. When it comes to winning someone's heart, there's nothing more attractive than being true to yourself. Older men understand the power of authenticity. They're not afraid to show their flaws or vulnerabilities because they know that's what makes them human. There's nothing more captivating than someone comfortable in their own skin. So, if you want to make women addicted to you, embrace your authenticity. Be genuine, be sincere, and above all, be yourself. Because in the end, that's what truly matters. Conclusion: unlocking the secrets of irresistibility. There you have it. 7 powerful techniques that older men use to make women addicted. From patience and experience to confidence, romance, and everything in between, these time-tested strategies have been proven to capture the hearts of women around the world. But here's the thing. You don't have to be a silver fox to wield these techniques. Whether you're young or old, shy or outgoing, you can harness the power of these techniques to become the irresistible man you've always wanted to be. So go forth with confidence, armed with the knowledge that true charm comes from within. Be patient, be authentic, and above all, be yourself. And who knows, you might just find yourself leaving a trail of lovesick admirers in your wake. Remember, the key to making women addicted isn't about manipulation or trickery, it's about genuine connection and mutual respect. So go forth and conquer the world of romance with kindness, confidence, and an open heart. After all, love is a journey, and the best adventures are yet to come. Now that you've learned the secrets to becoming irresistible to women, it's time to put them into action. But don't stop there. Share your thoughts, experiences, and insights with the Stoic Prowess community. Leave a comment below sharing your opinions on the techniques discussed in this video. Did you find them helpful? Do you have any additional tips to add? We want to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Stoic the World channel. By joining our community, you'll stay updated on all the latest insights and advice for mastering the art of romance. Together, let's empower each other to cultivate meaningful connections and lead fulfilling lives. Thank you for being a part of the Stoic the World community. We can't wait to continue this journey with you.